On this video I'm going to talk about the new helmet from Ruroc, the Atlas, and this one here. Inside the box I have the Typhoon, the limited edition. So if you want to know everything about this one and what I really think if it's worth it to buy this one, stay tuned after the intro. Hi everyone, Marcos here from MedPack, and today we are going to do the unboxing of the Ruroc Atlas. And a few days before I received this one, I decided to see some reviews online and there was a lot of complaints. I have to tell you that there are a few things that are better and they have improved here, but there are others I can't recommend, to be completely honest. But let's open the box and you'll know what I'm talking about. I have to say to you guys that the presentation is really good. So here you have the Atlas, you have the symbol of Ruroc on the top, and when you start opening you can see that they really care about the packaging and everything. You have foam everywhere. We have here the star of the show that have this bag saying Atlas with the logo of Ruroc. I really like. We have here few visors because I ordered extra visors, and also I ordered the shockwave, but I'm not going to receive because I'm going to send it back. But before I send it back I decided to do this video for you guys. So this one is the extra visor that they sent to you guys. I like it. It's not really dark. I really like the look of it. This is the other visor that I ordered specifically for this helmet. So when you order this one, it comes with the clear one and the black one, and I decided to buy this one, this extra blue one. I really like the look of it, and this one inside is a bit brown, so you have a better contrast than the black, and it looks amazing. Also comes with this bag of goodies. You have like a keychain, it looks nice. You have is basically a tool so you can attach the things. Really nice, I like it, but it's also coming back. You have some stickers from Ruroc. Here are other ones. Sorry if I'm not with the energy that you normally see me on the videos, but this is a very sad video for me. And here you have like a poster of this helmet, and on the back you have more information about your helmet and about the shockwave that was supposed to receive next month. Let's go to the helmet and see a little bit closer, and you'll know why I can't stay with this one. So when we take out of the box, you can see that this helmet is gorgeous. The paint job is good. I don't have the same issues that other one of you guys had in the past. Just here I think that the paint will come out really easy because these have a coating of rubber on the back, and I can see here already a few marks, and I never used this helmet, so also not acceptable in this kind of price. Many of you guys were saying that the helmet was too tight on the sides to put it. It's a bit tight, but I don't know if they changed slightly. I don't know if they changed slightly the configuration of the helmet. I don't know if you hear me well, but I hope so. But it was not so difficult. And here you continue the same thing to adjust it next to your neck. Few of you guys were saying that it's a bit difficult to put in place, that have to look to the mirror. I don't agree. It's quite easy and it's really easy to release. The sensation here is really good. Nothing hurts my ears, and even your peripheral vision is good. So I think you have a very good peripheral vision. If you use glasses, it's not also a problem. At least the other time that I try, you see, you put it, they stay in place, they don't lift. So that is something that when you are using helmets and you use glasses, that is one of the concerns that you have, is the glasses, they can't lift up because many times they have the pressure of the helmet on the back and you have that issue. But in my case, like you can see, it doesn't happen at all. I don't have any issues using my glasses with the helmet, and even when I close, it's not touching. It's not touching at all. Another thing that you guys were saying is the visor. You could open with one hand, so they have changed that, and you have 3 stops. So you have fully open, slightly open, and closed. Because few of you guys were saying that to close and open you had to always use your 2 hands. It's not the case. you can see you can close and open with just one hand. The big flaw is here. You see the nose? I have a small nose and my wife have already tried, and a friend of mine, she's really small and her face is quite straight. She was also touching. If you see, my nose is next to here and this is pure plastic. So if something hits, just doing this, it hurts my nose. To take it out is a little bit tight, but I can recommend a helmet that my nose is next to a piece of plastic. And there is another big problem also on this one, is in the interior here, you have your airflow control. And the problem is next to your mouth. So the first time that I was trying, I get my lips stuck inside the helmet. So I just move it with my lips. The interiors, like I was saying, the interiors, they are not harsh on your skin like they were saying, but it's also not the most soft material that you have on the market. For example, if I was putting this one side by side with the Shark, that was what I was doing yesterday, because I had few friends here at home, so we was trying their helmet, and this one is so much softer on the Shark. So this is my mistake, because I get in love with the look of it, and I normally wait for a second generation of something, but I decided to trust them and buy this helmet. And no, it doesn't work. Many times I think that this is because the cushions on the top part of your head should be a little bit thicker. So I show you what I'm saying. So if I put it back once again, the helmet should be here, okay? But my head is not touching the top part. But maybe this cushion should be a little bit thicker to bring my face a little bit more on the back. I'm saying few millimeters, that will help, or having a bit more cushion there, because if my nose is a bit lower, I continue to feel it, but it's not the same that when I'm completely inside the helmet, I'm already completely with my nose touching the plastic. I'm so annoyed with this, and they was asking me, do you want to try a bigger size? It's not the problem of the size, it's a flaw of your design. Can I recommend this one? And yeah, I can't. I think they have here something to start with, but the helmet have too much problems. I can't stay with it and wait more few months until the other one will arrive. Let me know in the comments below if you have ordered, if you had similar problems. If you want to know something else that I don't have said in this video, let me know, and I'll try to respond to all your questions. Before you go, thank you very much to being that side. My name is Marco, this is Medpack. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, even using a helmet, and I hope to see you in the next one.